Okay, this is going to be a double test for the engine test stand and this particular engine. Side note on the engine, I screwed up. I forgot to replace the throttle body. I still have it. It's on the parts engine in the trailer. I'm gonna have to dig that out. This throttle body is set up to have a fixed in place throttle, not a cable. So I'm gonna have to dig that out and get it before I bring that engine to scrap, since I don't have any others. Got fuel in the tank, jumper pack on the back, fuel on. It filled up the filter, and jumper pack's on, ignition on. I may have to figure out something here, but let's see what happens first. It's probably going to want choke. Okay, we'll actually hold on choke. Just want to do short bursts. Don't want to overdo the starter. Yep, we're still on choke. Yep, I can smell gas. I have not touched this carburetor. We're just going for it. I can smell fuel. Let's just take it off choke for a second. Okay, I'm gonna get some cheater spray, see what happens. Okay, I got some cheater spray. Let's just give it a little shot. Okay, I'm gonna check one thing before continuing. Okay, I disconnected the engine harness just to see if we have any change. Okay, it did not like the engine harness being connected for some reason. Why? I don't know, since I did check the wiring, and there was no connection to ground with the key in the on position. So it ran. Let's gotta figure out why it would not start with the harness connected, or was it just a fluke? So there we go. Next step is to try and get this engine to run a bit longer. I definitely like the throttle body in place, so I can control it by the throttle. And for the short period it ran, this engine actually didn't sound too bad. So I'll talk to them later. Please keep it redneck like always, and please subscribe and comment.